Hey, what's up everybody? It's Sid, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting topic lined up for you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of oil and gas analytics. This is a field that's constantly evolving with new technologies and methodologies emerging all the time. We're talking about the top 12 dashboards you need to optimize your upstream operations and maximize profit. These dashboards are essential tools for anyone serious about staying competitive in the oil and gas industry. These dashboards are like X-ray vision into your oil and gas business. They provide you with real-time data and insights that are crucial for making informed decisions. They show you what's working, what's not, and where you can make serious bank by improving efficiency. Imagine being able to pinpoint exactly where your operations are lagging and taking immediate action to fix those issues. So whether you're a seasoned executive or new to the industry, this video is your roadmap to unlocking the full potential of your assets. We'll break down each dashboard, explain its features, and show you how to leverage it for maximum impact. Let's get started. Stay tuned as we explore the intricacies of these powerful tools. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to use these dashboards to drive efficiency, reduce costs, and boost your bottom line. Ready to transform your oil and gas operations? Let's dive in. First up, production efficiency. This is the cornerstone of your operations. Understanding how efficiently your wells are producing is crucial. It's not just about hitting targets, it's about optimizing every aspect of your production process. This dashboard answers how well are your wells producing compared to your targets. Are you meeting, exceeding, or falling short of your goals? This insight allows you to make informed decisions and adjustments in real time. Every barrel not produced is money left on the table. Next, decline rates. Monitoring decline rates helps you understand the longevity and sustainability of your wells. It's about predicting future performance and planning accordingly. How fast is production dropping off? Identifying the rate of decline early can help you implement strategies to mitigate losses and extend the productive life of your wells. This is crucial for long-term viability. Planning for the future ensures that your operations remain profitable and sustainable over time. It's about looking ahead and preparing for what's to come. Well, downtime is another key metric. Downtime can significantly impact your bottom line. Regular maintenance and quick response to issues can minimize downtime and keep your operations running smoothly. Every minute down is lost revenue. It's essential to monitor and manage downtime effectively to ensure maximum productivity and profitability. And don't forget gas to oil ratio and lift efficiency. These metrics are vital for understanding the efficiency of your extraction processes. Optimizing these can lead to significant cost savings and increased output. Small improvements here can massively impact your bottom line. Even minor adjustments can lead to substantial gains in efficiency and profitability. Remember, efficiency is key to profitability. By focusing on these key metrics, you can ensure that your operations are running at their best, maximizing both production and profit. Now let's talk money. Understanding where your money is going is crucial for making informed decisions and ensuring the financial health of your operations. Specifically, where it's going. By analyzing detailed budget reports and expenditure analysis, we can pinpoint exactly where your funds are being allocated. This dashboard breaks down operating costs field by field, giving you a clear picture of where your money is being spent. From drilling operations to transportation, every cost is accounted for. We separate costs into variable and fixed expenses to understand your cost structure. Variable costs fluctuate with production levels, while fixed costs remain constant regardless of output. Energy costs are a major expense, so optimizing consumption is crucial. By monitoring energy usage, we can identify areas for improvement and reduce overall costs. We'll also track maintenance costs to avoid costly downtime. Regular maintenance ensures that equipment runs smoothly and prevents unexpected breakdowns that can halt production. And of course, labor expenses. Your people are your most valuable asset. By analyzing labor costs, we can ensure that your workforce is being utilized efficiently and effectively. This dashboard ensures you're managing costs effectively. With real-time data and comprehensive metrics, you can make informed decisions to optimize your operations and maximize profitability. In the oil and gas industry, time is money. This dashboard maximizes uptime by monitoring metrics like mean time between failures, MTBF, and mean time to repair, MTTR. It helps optimize maintenance strategies and track equipment utilization rates. Are you getting the most out of your investments, or is equipment sitting idle? Finally, we'll track inventory levels for critical spare parts to avoid operational halts. Your assets are your bread and butter. This dashboard goes beyond tracking production numbers. It monitors utilization rates to identify bottlenecks and idle equipment. Reservoir pressure monitoring provides insights into reservoir health. We'll also track pipeline throughput and analyze compression and injection performance. Optimizing these can significantly impact your bottom line. Drilling and completing wells is a massive expense. This dashboard tracks costs per well drilled and completed. It analyzes drilling time versus budget and non-productive time. We'll also monitor stimulation and fracturing costs. Supply chain costs are crucial. Getting materials on time can make or break your budget. This dashboard ensures projects stay on track and on budget. Efficiency here means more profit. The reservoir is the heart of your business. This dashboard helps manage it effectively. Monitor reservoir pressure and temperature for health insights. Analyze well interference and connectivity to optimize production. Track enhanced oil recovery costs to ensure a solid return on investment. Monitor remaining reserves versus recovery factor. Understanding these metrics maximizes long-term recovery. It's not just about profits, it's about doing business the right way. This dashboard integrates HSE and sustainability into operations. Monitor flaring and emissions to minimize your carbon footprint. Track spill response times and costs to handle incidents effectively. Keep tabs on environmental compliance penalties and safety incident rates. A safe, compliant operation is a productive one. Let's talk about your bottom line. This dashboard gives a clear picture of financial performance. It drills down to net operating income per field. Compare operating costs versus revenue per barrel of oil equivalent, BOE. Understand your break-even oil prices for informed decisions. Use variance analysis to compare actual performance to budget. Conduct field-level cash flow analysis to ensure liquidity. Getting the right materials to the right place at the right time is crucial. This dashboard optimizes your supply chain. Analyze transportation and logistics costs for efficiency. Dive into procurement, spend analysis to get the best prices. Monitor inventory turnover to minimize holding costs. Track lead times for equipment and spare parts to reduce downtime. The oil and gas industry is changing. Embrace technology to stay competitive. This dashboard leverages real-time data for informed decisions. Use AI-driven predictive maintenance to minimize downtime. Streamline operations with automated workflows. Track the uptime of connected devices for peak performance. Technology is the key to future success. Energy is a major cost and source of emissions. This dashboard helps you become more energy efficient. Track energy consumption to identify areas for improvement. Analyze power source utilization for cost-effective energy. Monitor fuel costs and quantify emissions reductions. Save money and enhance your brand reputation by being responsible. Well integrity is crucial for safety and performance. This dashboard monitors well integrity tests to prevent issues. Track well interventions to minimize costs and maximize efficiency. Analyze production impact of workovers for ROI. Monitor well shut-ins to minimize downtime. Ensuring well integrity protects your assets and boosts production. So there you have it, folks, the top 12 analytical dashboards that can transform your oil and gas operations. Harness the power of data to optimize decision-making and boost your bottom line. Knowledge is power in today's competitive landscape. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, stay informed, stay efficient, and keep those profits flowing.